Welcome back to Ask Why. Today, let's discuss energy quiz. Ability of a body to do work. Energy. Unit of work. Joule. The term energy was first coined by Thomas Young. Law of conservation of energy was put forward by Albert Einstein. Which country has the highest energy consumption per capita in the world? Iceland. Which country had the largest nuclear energy production and consumption? USA. Which country produces highest amount of petroleum and natural gas? Saudi Arabia. Which global agreement has lowered greenhouse gases emission most? The Montreal Protocol. Which is the single piece of legislation in history that has saved the most lives from pollution? The Clean Air Act. What energy source has the smallest death print? Nuclear. Which is the fastest growing energy source in the world? Coal. Which country emits the most carbon to atmosphere? China. Heat given off by fire is an example of what form of energy? Thermal energy. The light shining from a light bulb is an example of what form of energy? Electromagnetic energy. Lightning during a thunderstorm is an example of what form of energy? Electrical energy. Solar energy power generation is based on which principle? Photovoltaic effect. Who discovered photovoltaic effect? Edmund Becquerel, who is also known as the father of solar panels. Which is the commonly used photovoltaic cell? Crystalline silicon cell. Energy from heat inside the earth. Geothermal energy. Which country utilizes highest amount of renewable energy? China. Which is the largest hydroelectric power plant in the world? The Three Gorges Dam. Which is the world's largest capacity wind turbine? Vestas V164. Which is the world's largest energy producing company? Gazprom. Which is the world's largest and energy producing country? United States of America. Which is the world's most energy efficient country? Germany. How many nuclear power stations are there in India? 7. Thank you for watching.